Hey guys. All right, we are also going to start science this week and we are going to be talking about energy. We're going to be talking about the energy and the forms it can take and what energy can do. All right, so it says energy. Turn on a light switch, rub your hands together to warm them up, roll a pencil across your desk. You are using energy. Energy is the ability to cause motion or create change. Whenever the position, chemical structure, or the look of something changes, energy is required. There are many forms of energy. Some energy takes the form of light or of sound. Electrical energy is another type of energy that you use every day. Anytime you plug anything in, you are using electrical energy, whether you're plugging in your TV or your phone charger to charge your phone. All right, let's look at this next page. It's kind of crazy seeing your book up here on the screen, isn't it, instead of in front of you on your desk? Hopefully we can have them in front of us soon. Okay, we're going to talk about some different forms of energy. Energy cannot be made or destroyed. It is just transferred from one form to another form. So we don't lose electrical energy when we change it to light energy. It just transferred. It is not lost. Energy also moves from one object to another. Energy can exist in many forms, and we are going to talk about some of those now. Okay. Electrical energy is caused by the movement of electrically charged particles. This movement is also called an electric current. When you flip on a light switch or turn on your radio, you are using electrical energy. The energy is transferred from place to place. Electricity flows through the devices to produce motion or sound or heat or light. Thermal energy is energy due to randomly moving particles that make up matter. You can feel the flow of thermal energy as heat. The faster particles move, the more thermal energy is produced. People use thermal energy to heat or cook your food. The thermal energy causes changes in the food as the food cooks. So think about when you cook pancakes. When you cook pancakes, you pour the batter on and it looks like liquid, but as that heat cooks it, that pancake looks really different, right? Sound energy is the energy of vibrations carried by air, water, or other matter. And you can use sound energy when your alarm wakes you up or when you listen to your favorite music. While I'm turning the page, I want you to think of another example of sound energy that you have in your home. Be thinking about that while I'm changing the page. Okay, kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Anything that is moving has kinetic energy. Anything, whether you're waving your hands or you're kicking your feet, you have kinetic energy. A moving swing at the playground, just like this picture, or a hurricane, both have kinetic energy. Light energy travels as waves and can move through empty space. Some light energy comes from the sun and travels to Earth. These sunflowers use this light energy to help make their own food, and that goes for other plants and trees as well. They use that light energy to make their own food, and we will actually learn about that later in the year. It's called photosynthesis. All right, the last type of energy we're going to talk about today is called potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy in an object. When an object is in motion, its potential energy is released as other forms of energy. For example, when a truck burns fuel, the potential energy in gasoline is transformed into heat and motion. Okay, remember, if you're standing by a car that's been running, you can feel that heat from the engine, right? And if a car is moving, well, it's in motion, right? Okay, we are going to stop there for today. Make sure that you do your assignment on Think Central. It's a quick little video and a short question, and we will finish the rest of this lesson on another day. Y'all have a wonderful day.